I get all the time bills.
What?
Bills are being paid
Oh,
now
bills. Oh,
slowly. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, it
Karma,
seems to
payback.
be karma, yes. It's like without it's no bureaucracy in that sense, but due to the increasement of global events, intergalactic events, change of frequency, stuff is revealing now. And that's why we are living in the time of apocalypse, because the apocalypse means revelation.
Hmm.
And we are in the middle of a transformation from 3D to 4D, but 4D is not that dense like 3D, which means they are softened somehow technical details. Otherwise, it would be too much because the physical energy, so matter, can block, hide, and press down a lot of energies from the astral realm. It's its advantage and a disadvantage at the same time. So, but due to the current circumstances, of course, it's a disadvantage. And that's why the wise persons, the enlightened ones, were warning since ever to be ready for this kind of time. And who did not his or her homework has to do it in a rush. Um, Because this is what the Matrix agent said. We had a lot of reasons to develop our spiritual quality. First World War, Second World War, the communism, um, several economic collapses, but no events was taken as an impulse, as an inspiration to wake up, not taken by the majority. And warnings were there, latest with 2012, with the so-called calendar of the Maya. No one took that seriously. So when we refer to no one, it's a exaggeration. No, we mean the majority. And especially you, Wolfgang, you know how the majority, the so-called normal society runs, how they view the world, how they view animals, plants, trees. Mm, and that's why this is a kind of migration within us. We have to do that alone, but with compassion, empathy, and awareness, we can only offer support. We cannot carry someone to the goal, but we can point out, give hints, recommendations, be there for our loved ones.